Hi everyone, welcome to our last overview video for the course, which is the Module 8 overview. Let's go ahead and go through this week's activities and assignments. As usual, you can see our overview and our agenda for the week, where you can see what we're going to be doing. In particular, the agenda has the list of tasks that you'll need to complete this week. Let's go ahead and head over to the lectures and readings folder. This week and our last week, we're going to read chapter 14 in your textbook. And we also have a video on the Stanford Prison Study, which is a classic social psychology study. I've also included some helpful information below the video to sort of describe the context for the study. Essentially, it's been a really influential study within social psychology. It was conducted in the early 70s. However, it's been very influential. However, it's been really strongly criticized as well for a number of reasons. So please take a look at this note below the video and sort of take that into consideration when you're watching it. Now let's head over to the assignments folder. You'll see that the first two items are special to this week. The first is the film analysis assignment submission portal. Please recall that the film analysis is due Tuesday, May 7th by 11:59 p.m. The assignment instructions are provided here, and they're also in your syllabus. And please recall there's some information on the course homepage that can help you with this assignment, both the film analysis supplemental materials and the APA style items on the homepage. Next up, we have the course evaluation. You should have received an email about the course evaluations. I received an email on Saturday, May 4th, so maybe you did too. But please look for that email and complete the short evaluation form before the course ends. This is a way for you to anonymously provide both School for Professional Studies as well as me your feedback on the course. And I use this information to improve the course for future students. Next up is the weekly quiz, which covers chapter 14 this week. As usual, it consists of 10 questions, and you'll have 30 minutes to complete all 10 questions. And last, you'll find our Module 8 discussion board. As usual, you have 2 prompts to respond to. In one prompt, you'll be asked to apply a concept from chapter 14 to your own life. And in the other, you'll be asked to think about the course as a whole and describe the most useful social psychological concept that you've learned about in the course and how you might use this knowledge going forward, either in your life generally or in your work. How are you going to use this information after the course ends? So all Module 8 assignments are due on Sunday, May 12th at 11:59 p.m., with the exception of the film analysis paper, which is due Tuesday, May 7th. Okay. And last but not least, this is my final video for the course, but it won't be our last contact. I'll be sending out my usual emails for this week, and after the course ends, I'll also send out sort of a reflections email, at least my reflections on the course. So as usual, let me know if you have any questions. This is our last video, but this is not the last that you'll hear from me. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.